Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a rear entry, mobility and wheelchair accessible van. I'll get right to the conversion. Manual entry, very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. It's got the spring assisted ramp here. I can pull this right out using just one finger. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can lift up one of these ramps. Very easy to do, 34-inch wide ramp. 800-pound weight capacity, 56 inches of room coming inside the van, just over 58 inches inside the van. This van does have, it is ADA compliant. And you can see it's got the gurney setup kit in here. So it's set up for your gurney. If you are going to use this for a gurney, you are responsible for knowing exactly what you need and what modifications you need to make to your gurney. There are different size gurneys out there. There's not one size fits all. So again, you are responsible for that. There's 8 tie down points, so it'll hold up 2 chairs at a time. Due to having the gurney, we only have one jump seat in here. This one is removed. You have to have extra room for the gurney over there, so that's intentional. That's how all the gurney kits work that I've seen. Very clean interior. The dash is in excellent condition. It's got the steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera. A lot of auxiliary ports and plug-ins there. Dual climate control. Rear air controls. It's got plugs down there for all your electronics. Cup holders everywhere. Cup holders in the door. So very nice van inside and out. The rear air controls back there as well. Headliner looks great. When you've got it all, everyone all secured, come back, look at that one finger. That's all it takes. Come back, shut your door, and you're ready to roll. The exterior of the van is very clean. It's got tinted windows. Tires are all pretty good on this van. They're not brand new, but they have quite a bit of tread left on them. And it's hard to find a dent or scratch on this van. It's very clean, been very well taken care of. Looks darn near new. It's super clean. Like I mentioned, it has those tinted windows, keep you nice and cool in the summertime. You and or your passengers. All these doors are all manual, so they're not going to break on you. Or, little to go wrong. Got the seat there. Power windows, power locks. Show you the VIN number here real quick. We always put the VIN number in our videos so you can see if we're selling the van that we say we're selling. A lot of crazy people out there doing some crazy things, as you can imagine. Very clean interior inside now. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke in this van. See, the current mile is 43,695. It's got the one key fob here. Got the keyless entry. If you want us to make more keys at your cost, we can. They're $199 a key. It's got your user's guide in there. When I go to turn the van on, fires that first time every time. You can see all the dummy lights work, the check engine airbag. There's no dummy lights on. It's got your touch screen there. Backup camera like I mentioned. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, it has a 3.6 V6 engine, very clean, no signs of any damage. No signs of any major leaks, no signs of any water damage. These Dodge engines do come with a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. So this meets all the specifications to still be under warranty. Very clean underneath, a little dirty, but no signs of any major rust or any leaks or any damage. And whoever you're going to buy from, make sure you get a video like this. I hope you buy from us. I hope you see by our videos we try to be honest and fair as we possibly can. But people on the internet get taken advantage of every day. Don't be one of them. If someone's going to sell you a $10, $20, $30, $40,000 mobility van and they won't get out and make a 30-minute video like this and crawl underneath it and take it out and drive it and show you how everything works, then who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? Don't be one of those people getting taken advantage of. Demand a video or find you another supplier. These videos show a whole lot more than pictures do, I'm telling you right now. So let's get the van out on the highway. We've tested all the power windows, power locks, mirrors, everything works on these. I've got 3 mechanics that inspect them, so let's get it out for a ride. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive so you can see that whether you come in and drive it home or whether we ship this out with our free shipping in the lower 48 states, that we've made sure this vehicle is roadworthy. So let me get it out. You can hear the engine run strong. Feel the transmission shift. Kicks up to 65 miles an hour, no problems. Steering wheel is nice and straight. Got the cruise control set at about 65. And listen, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. I know everyone's going to tell you they have the best price and the best service. Everyone's spiel is the same, yada, yada, yada. Look at their ratings online. Look at their Google reviews. Check out our Google reviews. Look us up on Google, Affordable Mobility Solutions. See what people had to say about us. Look up our A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. If you're going to do business with a company that's got, negative ratings and a sketchy Better Business review and rating, well, you're probably going to have problems, and you're probably going to ask yourself, why did I do business with them? I'm telling you right now, don't do business with shady individuals. It's going to come back to bite you. Keep in mind, I'm also the owner of the company. I'm out here making videos. I'm crawling underneath the vehicle. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. Are you going to take a risk spending $20,000, $30,000 on a van and hope that when it shows up, it's what they told you that it was? Or are you going to tell them to get out there and make a video because you want to know exactly what you're getting? I'm going to give it a hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises. So it's everything we want as far as drivability, braking, mechanics. Everything seems to work just fine. This van should make a very nice van for you or your family, for your family or your business for many years to come. So as long as I'm going back to our competition and people out there, I cannot stress this enough. Get you a video like this. I don't care who you're buying from. Don't trust that. That's the number one mistake people make when they're car shopping, is they assume because the car looks nice in pictures, they assume because the salesman was nice to them, they assume all these things, and then they get the vehicle and it turns out to be a nightmare. Don't assume things. Simply ask, I want to see a video. Feel free to get this van inspected. We can take it over any dealership you want or any mechanic you want, or they can come out and do one. Inside and out though, super clean van. And again, I'm the owner of the company. I'm not a used car salesman. A lot of those used car salesmen and women you're talking to, they're not even going to be working there next month. They're going to move on to another job. Today, they only care about telling you whatever you need to hear, whether it's true or not, and they just want to get you in a van. That's all they care about. I'm the owner. I'm going to be here 5 years from now, 10 years from now. I want you to repeat business. I want you to tell people good things about us. I care about this company. My blood, sweat, and tears are into this company. So that's the difference between me and a used car salesman. Also keep in mind, we have no hidden fees. We don't have any hidden tag fees, administrative fees, document fees. If someone's going to hide money from you, all these $500 fees, $1,000 fees, what else are they hiding from you? Another thing you need to ask yourself, what else are they hiding from you? So if you want to see our entire inventory, check us out at www.mobility316.com. If you ever want to come in, please always make an appointment. Give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a texter, give me a text on my cell phone, 316-518-4377. You've got the owner's cell phone number. Try and get the owner's cell phone number at one of those big dealerships. Yeah, good luck. We do have financing available, and as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.